So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Avalanche coin, ticker symbol AVAX, in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you're here in Wealthsimple, make sure to go into your crypto account. Once into your crypto account, go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're on this screen, scroll all the way down until you come across the crypto option right here under trending categories. Press on crypto. Then once you're on this screen, simply just scroll down until you come across Avalanche coin, ticker symbol AVAX, which is right here. I'll press on AVAX right now. Then once you're on this screen, go to the bottom left and press on buy. And then on this screen, type in however much money you want to invest into Avalanche coin. So if you wanted to do $5, for example, you can press on $5 and then press on continue. Then to simply confirm your purchase, go to the bottom and press on confirm order. And there you go. That is how you guys can buy Avalanche coin here in Wealthsimple, ticker symbol AVAX. I hope this video helped.